Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this one, the countertop stylings, the gelato display cases. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For the unit's length, it's about like a 31.5 inches long. And the height of the unit is about like 11.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 25.5 inches deep. So as we can see the units, they're having a controller and a switcher at the front. You can set in the temperatures and to see the display informations. Also, they come in standard of 110 plugs, the US standard one. And when we're looking at the set of the units, we can see they have a ETL sanitation stickers coming with the diagrams and cost sheets information and product information all on the unit's body. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side informations. As we can see, the units coming with the flip, the front, and also they come with the double layer glass to keep it better temperature controls. And inner side, we can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 containers. Let me give you the dimension of those. It will be about like 5.5 inches wide and 6 inches long, 4 inches deep. And all these containers, you can remove from the inside and try to clean anything you want. And they have a water drains here. And after you clean all the things, you can wipe it out. For these front windows, we can see they have 2 strong handles, the sticks. And if you're trying to close it, just push down. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.